Fearing for what could be coming, officials are activating field hospitals across California, including a 200-bed facility in Escondido. The governor saying if people don't protect themselves this Christmas, we're heading for disaster.
Could be a surge on top of a surge on top of a surge unless we are cautious and mindful about our travel plans this holiday season and about our proximity to people outside of our households.
County officials say they know it's hard not to see extended family right now, but they're pleading with San Diegans to follow health orders this Christmas.
We're asking you to not gather with them because you love them and because you care about them.
County-run testing sites will be open with limited hours over the holidays, but keep in mind that is only a point-in-time test.
I'm sure many of you are thinking that you've been tested recently and that you're okay, or that you had a plan for a safe gathering. But as we've seen, many of the cases from the recent surge came from people who gathered for Thanksgiving. Getting together for holidays is simply too risky.
Again, the issue is not so much physical beds, but also healthcare workers to staff them. Scripps health officials saying today their Encinitas hospital was at 183% surge capacity in the ICU, and they are starting to ration care, having to postpone some surgeries and moving patients from South Bay hospitals up north.
We're using team nursing. So normally we would operate under staffing ratios, but the state of California has given us waivers because we wouldn't be able to even admit patients if we didn't have the waivers. And we're using a concept called team nursing to expand the use of nurses and support the nurses in their care.
Just before Christmas, there are only around 24 staffed ICU beds available for a county of more than 3 million people.
We know people are hurting out there, and we know they're tired of the pandemic. You know what? We're damn tired of it too. But we're the ones that end up getting those patients that are desperately trying to catch their breath, that end up on a ventilator.
It's unclear when the 200-bed federal field hospital in Escondido will be ready. We know it will be run by Palomar Health, and officials there have previously said once given notice, it could be set up within a week. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.